Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Rizwan. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how can you make 20,000 in just 15 to 20 minutes. It's a very interesting video is going to be. Just type here the W3 layout to download a fresh theme which you have to integrate with Laravel project, and you can make your own website just in 20 to 15 minutes. Open this website and type here click here web templates and go to your desired template. I would make here the travel agency website, and I'm going to click the travel agency website and I'll search my desired theme. Now I'll search my theme which I need. You can download here the theme of any sort, like school theme or any business theme, e-commerce website theme. There are hundreds of themes available in free. Just you have to understand the integration of the theme with the project. I'll go here with free download and I'm going to click here. Here you can see there are no backlinks available, so I have to click in login, but here is no login button, so I have to click here on download button. When you would click on download button, then it would ask you to log in with Facebook or Gmail. I'll continue with my Gmail account. When you click here with Gmail account, then if you are using multiple IDs, then it would ask you to decide which ID you want to use. So after that one, it would redirect you to dashboard, and again you have to go back into website by clicking on dashboard button, and again you have to repeat the process which we did before. Again you have to search your desired theme, as I'm doing here. You can see I'll again repeat the process. I'll choose my desired theme by going exactly to that position where I did before. I'm clicking on the second tab, and here is my desired theme. Yeah, this one. When you click here, again click here on free download, and now you can see here a bit changing. Here is an option to be followed, so don't click here and wait for a few seconds. After few seconds, you can see here the download button has been appeared. Now to download a theme, click on download button and wait for a few seconds. Yes, you can see that downloading has been started, and when the downloading would be finished, then we'll open and see the theme which we downloaded in free, and go in a folder and extract that theme by WinRAR. And after extraction of theme, open it and click here index.html folder. Here you can see my desired theme I have successfully downloaded with full of customization and CSS and HTML and Bootstrap, a very wonderful theme which is already developed. It would save your time and cost, and just you have to integrate and earn money whichever you have decided with your client. Now I would open my fresh Laravel project in Sublime Text. Just go in C, XAMPP, htdocs, and here is my fresh project name theme. I would search that one. Here is a theme and select. It's not a theme, it's my basically a fresh Laravel project. I named it this project to theme, and now I would go for integration of theme. Before, let's start our basic project and see how it look like. If you don't know this process, then watch my previous tutorial how to run a Laravel project on a server. And when you have done this, then go here on localhost. So here you can see my fresh Laravel project. When you have downloaded your fresh Laravel project, then the first page of the project would be looking like this. So now it's our step to integrate a theme with our project. Click on the theme, copy all the files and paste in our Laravel project. Open the Laravel project and public folder and paste here. Now go in your project, public, and see here the theme which you paste here, and resources, and click on views and welcome.play.php and delete all the data from this page and go into your downloaded theme, public, web, and index.html and copy all the data from your theme and paste in welcome.play.php and control save and see your browser. Here you can see the theme has been loaded, but there is no CSS and HTML integrated. To integrate HTML CSS, we have to change the links. Go in again welcome.play.php and change here the links by adding curly braces asset, and like this. You have to change all links which are in the theme by doing this, by giving the reference web /. So I would change all my links one by one, including images and JavaScript. After doing this, you can see here the website has completely been attached with my Laravel project. So by changing the context and by changing the code, you can now customize your website and you can hand over to your customer. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest videos.